Okay, now we got the black 57 two-door hardtop here. You probably hear in the background a couple of the guys just hanging out and enjoying the scene, the behind-the-scenes stuff. This is the last car before we break for lunch. But it's just been the day's been going flawless and smoothly. I mean, just look at that rotation. That is amazing. That is just a sight to behold, man. So, Mike here from Danchuk Manufacturing, talking to you live from Red Gum Studios. We're about the halfway point in our photo shoot. We'll be breaking for lunch after this. And just everybody's enjoying it. Everybody's kind of just hanging out. We've had a couple of people had to bail because they had a long way to drive home. Wanted to get out of here before the California traffic trapped them here. So anywho, just turning into a flawless day. Things are moving along real smoothly. The pictures are just coming out outstanding. Everybody's just really excited and having a good time here. So stay tuned. More cars to come. We've got a blue 57 coming, a white 56 station wagon, a pro white one, and hopefully we may see some others. So again, things are moving right along here, and getting all the pictures in as we go along. I'll be posting some photographs, kind of some samples of what we've gotten so far, and thank you for tuning in. That's Mike with Danchuk Manufacturing, and stay tuned for some more photo shoot action.